Hello, everybody, and welcome to my unboxing and first impressions of the new Apple AirPods. They have been out for, oh my gosh, many months now. I feel like 5 months or so, maybe even 6 months at this point. They are becoming more readily available, so that's one of the reasons why I'm getting it. Um, I know everybody that knows me now, I'm using a Note 8. Which, what? Why would you have Apple AirPods if you're going to use it on a Note? Well, I have the iPad Pro here, and I'm going to use my dad's old iPhone 6 with the Apple Watch and the AirPods and see what that's all about. Plus, I'll be using them on probably on my Note 8 first. Um, yeah, as you can see, I have, I got a bunch of the normal AirPods from, gosh, some one of the promotional things like Groupon or something like that. They were super cheap. You got two for like $20 or something. It was a pretty good deal. And then here are which are surprising, these AKG headphones that came with my S8 Plus, my first Note, and then my replacement Note. So I actually have three pairs of these. They're actually pretty nice quality. They're tuned with AKGs, which is a section of Harman. And then here are my noise canceling Sony over ear um, headphones. I love those. And then these are my 2 or 3 year old Power Beats 2s. I've been using those. Haven't really used them recently. I think it's the cables. I kind of I tried another brand that we carried at Costco for a short time. They sounded super tinny, but from what I've heard, these sound slightly better than these. They're a little bit bigger. They fit in your ear so they won't fall out. I've watched some videos of using them on S8 and notes and stuff like that, and you still have the tap features for pausing, playing. Supposedly, maybe even I didn't watch the video, but you could even have access to the Google Assistant. I'm not sure yet, but I do know that you have double tap to answer a phone call and double tap to hang up a call. It doesn't work with when you pull it out of your ear; it pauses it, but I think you can still listen to music in one ear. I don't know why the light keeps going down. I'm wondering if the light from the other side of the room is causing the aperture to close or something. It just tries to keep adjusting. So, anyways, I have my handy dandy pocket knife from Cub Scouts that I still have, and I'm gonna do this looking around here. Oh, there we go. That was a good cut there. Yeah. Alright. That should be enough. Alright. Throw the knife over there. Don't you guys just love how I do one-handed unboxings on everything? Sometimes I have to put whatever it is down. Now, something I kind of look forward to if I end up keeping these, which this is, again, like I said, a trial. I haven't posted it yet. I really need to post it like soon. I tested out the Samsung, Samsung Galaxy Tab S3, which is Samsung's top of the line tablet. I just returned that after having it for 3 days. I knew I wasn't going to keep it, but I wanted to compare it to my iPad Pro 12.9, and the iPad stands up way better in the sense of so many different ways. Check out that video. I didn't do an impressions video because I honestly just wanted to return it. But it is a great Samsung tablet. I'm just loving the iPad Pro and having the keyboard and everything, and I wouldn't want to have to change the ecosystem because I have over 200 movies in iTunes. Anyways, enough about that. You can check out that video. I should post that soon, probably before this one. Here's all the cool instructions. Again, I'm maybe getting my iPhone 7 back, and that would cause me to go back. But here's how to do all that. Warranty. Ooh, no stickers. That's new. Alright, so I'm going to put this up here. And then here is that funny floss container style AirPod holder. Now, from what I've heard, you can, and I'm not even going to open up I'll pull it up, but anyways, I don't know why the phone just opened. I may have tapped the screen. Let's see, let's open that. Again, sorry about the one-handed stuff. Oh, here it is. Very nice, super glossy, just like everybody said. Wow, there they are, guys. Pulsating because I've never been connected to anything. I'm pretty sure if I did anything, it would pop up on this iPad. Thank goodness, because I'm recording, it won't. But yeah, that's going to get scratched like a mofo, I can tell. And look at that, fingerprints all over it already. Lightning connector, I've got one of those, obviously. Oh man, let me see if I can. Oh yeah, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Not a surprise. And then here's the connect button for Bluetooth when you use it on an Android device. I guess you hold that down and then that starts flashing orange and blue or something. But this is now looking for a device, which would be my iPad we're on right now. Nothing has shown up yet because I am filming, I'm guessing. Refocus. Refocus, come on. There we go. And then I'm guessing we pulled this off. Yep, there's a lightning connector that you get to use. Looks like the standard length, possibly. Like I said, I'm probably not going to use that until I'm sure, because it doesn't make sense to open it if I'm just going to return it, because they can probably use it unopened. So I'm going to try these out for a couple days. I'm going to try them on an iPhone, an Apple Watch. I'm going to try them with my Note, and I'm going to try them actually also connecting to this guy, my S3, because it's the one thing I like about Android is that, or Samsung specifically with the watch, is that they teamed up with Spotify, and I use Spotify for everything. So the fact that I'll be able to play my music directly from here to here is going to be great. And I hope I can do single earbud kind of style. Okay, I feel really, that feels dangerous. So I'll just close that real quick. Anywho, so there you go. Lightning connector, floss case looking thing with left and right ear. And that's it. That's all you get. Pretty straightforward. Serial numbers and all that underneath that. So thanks again for watching, guys. Look out for a review of this, hopefully within the next 2 days. All right? Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.